Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the camera shutter, and the camera that I'm holding right now is my Lumix G7. It's an older device, but I still managed to make it work. I mostly use it for recording purposes, and there are very few and rare moments when I take the capture like a normal photo images. So when I'm trying to take a capture, you can see it says please turn off camera and then turn on again. So it means the camera shutter is locked and it's telling me that you should turn it off and turn back on again. So okay, let's do this again. Let's take a capture again. See, the same thing is happening and appearing with the snap. So I have managed to make it work, but it is very rare when it happens. So sometimes you also have to remove or unplug the battery also, so that you can put it back live. So this is the camera. Let me know which camera you are holding and facing the problem with, especially with the shutter. Okay, so first disassemble the lens and put it with the cover lid or something, with the tape or something, whatever you have. Okay, make sure you do not touch the contact or the areas which is plated with metal. Okay, and you can have a close look. You can see the shutter is locked. It has 4 blades and all of them are aligned in parallel, which is a normal thing which every camera has. Okay, so you can see if I turn it on again, the shutter is open and the light is getting into the sensor. Make sure do not touch or anything, because if you mess it up, it might cost you a lot. So it's better you take it to the service center or contact the manufacturer for more assistance. But I am going to give it a worth of try so that you can see if it's working or not. So let's try to re-plug it again. Will it work? No, my friend, but I have to show you guys the demonstration. That's why I'm showing you. You can see again it's unlocked with the shutter, but same thing is happening over and over. The pattern is same. No matter you unplug or do it whatever you think it might work, it's not going to work unless you do the thing that I'm going to tell you. That's very simple. You don't have to do anything else but just to blow with a little bit of air pressure. Okay, don't push it too hard. Let me show you. Okay, so let's keep it aside, the lens and the camera that I'm holding. You can see the blades, the shutter blades. So we need a pump. You can buy it from Amazon or from the link given in the description down, or you can borrow from someone, but do not push it too much. You just have to blow it with a mild air pressure so that you can see the blades are flowing. If something is in between the blades, or if the grease or something needs to be in contact, this might help. Do not put any kind of oily substance. You might think like this may help it be flexible, be fluid or something, because if you put any oil or grease or something and that gets into the sensor, you may permanently break your camera, and that wouldn't be worth it. It's better you take it to the service center and get repaired by them. Okay, so let me align it again so that we can test it out if it's working or not, because the job I had to do, I did it, and now I'm sure it's going to work, because it's just a minor thing, and if it's a major thing it won't work. You have to take it to the service center. Okay, so let's turn it on. Here it is. Let's turn off. Let's turn it on. Okay, now you can see I have put it inside the shutter mode already. So let's take continuous shutter captures. See, it's working. The continuous shutter with bright highlights, it's capturing everything. Editing operation on count. Okay, so let's see. It has taken all the captures properly, there's no doubt. Okay, so we'll try it over so that you can see there is no monkey business, or it is fixed properly for now. Yes, it's deleting. Let's turn it off once again, turning it on back. Here it is. See, let's take once again. See, it's completely fluid, working fine, and there is proper sound of the shutter. You can hear all the noises, and that's how it's fixed. So I recommend you guys to keep your camera in such an environment where it is not getting dirt and it is in proper atmosphere, and most important, you are taking capture at least a week. Otherwise, if you are just using it for the recording purpose, it might get stuck when you are trying to take normal snap. So it's pretty obvious, and this is what is working for me. I hope this is going to work for you guys. If it worked, let me know your camera model and your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.